I can't talk because I'm trying not to move my mouse to see if it's actually moving or not.
You just broke into the back of your house.
Stop, please. I can't stop you, but don't.
Look, you even have like a nice.
Alright, it's not
vine
moving.
next to the sign.
Yep, get out of my house. Good day, sir. I don't want to talk to you, salesperson. Freaking
I was
salesman.
baptizing you.
I don't want to hear about your Lord and Savior, freaking sun god.
It's the water god.
Oh, that's right. You're like the Bioshock god, let's be honest.
Have
The
you
water god!
Hey Mike, have you checked out the back of your house? Hi!
Ow, I wasn't actually gonna hit someone, Nev. Oh.
Oh no!
He was shooting me!
How dare you! He was my follower!
He's coming back.
Cute little flower, too.
Are we doing the
I
hopping
am
thing?
with you, Jess.
No!
This is very suspicious, and I don't know if I like it.
What?
The block.
The block.
Hey, bot.
Ah!
No,
Freaking A.
lava. Did you try and jump?
No, I accidentally shifted to my off of my bow onto my enderpearls.
Do you need help getting up?
No,
Help! I've
there you
fallen and
go.
I can't get up.
Except you went through the floor.
I know. I went I went through the top.
Wow, hacks. Hacks.
Yeah.
Shot voxel. Bang cube. Nah.
Wait, what?
I need to
Shot
not put my enderpearls next to my bow.
Shot put.
We're watching your stuff, Nev. Don't worry. It's not disappearing.
I know. I'm trying not to walk into it.
The letter Q. The letter Q. I need to finish this library, too. I need to keep remembering to get my reed farm going. My reeds. So let's go ahead and actually gather. I'm going to gather these things real quick.
I really want to bring all my gravel and then
Really have a zombie
go
problem.
up for that thing.
Part of me is just tempted to just forget that and just do like this because I feel like I'm actually going to get my
Here's
materials.
zombies.
Yeah, I hear zombies too actually in my house. Are you guys turning into zombies?
Yes.
You not? Oh my gosh, Jay, what did I tell you about turning into zombies?
Why are we looking here? I don't know.
What?
Somebody gets it.
I'm awesome.
Where are they coming from? I hear them all over me. It's probably because there's so many people over here, so they're just finding any little dark hole they can. We'll go find them. I will find them, and I will kill them.
You're right. Minecraft does sound weird.
Right? It's like creepy.
Because it just sounded like there was like a blaze.
What? That... What?
But I knew it was like a sound effect because it was like... Whoa.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I was like, I don't know. Maybe we should investigate the blaze. Otherwise, my house would go in a blaze. Alright, it is 10 o'clock, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. It's 10 o'clock, so I'm going to come back up, and then I'm going to say we step for the night.
Right.
We gotta climb back out of this freaking hole. Oh, I need stuff to build the things with. Oh, I'm so mad. Don't know why. But-
Time is Russia. We should have a meeting afterwards.
Yeah.
Yeah. We most definitely are, my friend. My friend, oh dear me, my friend. I'm so glad to have you as a friend. Friend.
Exterminate.
Exterminate, exterminate. All right, well, since I actually was kind of already in my house, I'm already here. So let's go ahead and outro out here. Hitting the wrong buttons, but, you know, cool things. So thank you guys so much for coming out and watching. I'm going to try and wake up. I may not come back until 11 p.m. Eastern. I will let you guys know on Twitter what I decide to do, or player.me, whatever you guys follow me on. I guess I might post it on Facebook. Facebook's annoying. Let's just go on about that, okay? Facebook's annoying. Facebook is annoying, okay? So it's just a thing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for coming out and watching. If you like this series, this is our Foundation series. It's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Eastern. We are not meeting this Friday, however, due to a lot of things coming up this Friday. No one's really going to be on, so we're going to hold off on doing any stream on Friday. But we'll be back on Tuesday. I will personally I tend to usually stream after hours and such. Again, that's something that might not happen tonight. I feel bad. It's just a really rough week due to a moving, and it's a busy work week for work, and just things are busy. So again, I'm going to see if I can come back on tonight, though. Anyways, thank you guys so much for coming out and watching. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode or later tonight. Until then, though, court is adjourned. See you guys next time.